Hey guys, I'm Brian from Brinkley Customer Care, and today, myself along with a few of my team members, are going to walk through how to take care of the exterior of your Brinkley RV. First, we're going to start with the exterior roof. Hey Ray, what are you doing up here?
How's it going, Brian? So today we're going to talk about RV care and maintenance for your roof. So when cleaning your roof, you're going to want to start with a mild detergent and a soft bristle brush. And make sure that you scrub in good. You want to avoid using any kind of putty knives or sharp objects around your sealants or anywhere else on your membrane so you don't damage anything. You want to check this at least twice a year and before and after storage to make sure you don't have any debris or damage that may not be visible during your normal cleaning methods.
And Ray, if they do find an exterior seal that needs to be replaced, who should they contact?
That simply can be done by yourself at the house with the proper alpha sealant, or you can contact a service center or your local dealer to help you out there too.
Thanks, Ray.
Not a problem, Brian.
Hey Victoria, do you mind going through the exterior care of the RV with me?
Of course, I would love to. All right, so what we're gonna first wanna do is start with a mild detergent or a mild car wash soap. And we're going to mix that with warm water and make sure that you're not doing it on a sunny day. And we're going to start at the top of the RV first using a microfiber or a soft mitt, maybe with a microfiber on the backside.
A little bonus.
Oh yeah, of course. Again, starting at the top, we're gonna work our way all the way down to the base. And then after you have that completely done, we're going to make sure that we again start at the top, rinsing with water, work our way all the way down, and then just let that air dry.
Excellent, I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course, anytime.
Hey Brian, do you mind helping me talk about caring for the underside of our units?
Sounds good. It's pretty simple, but very important that under the unit, any metal components, any exposed frame, your leveling legs, your axles, AP components, etc., that you're spraying those down consistently, particularly in the wintertime. Yeah. You know, with all the road salts and chemicals they use to de-ice, they are very corrosive to any steel components, so we want to make sure we keep those nice and clean at all times.
Yeah, that's great advice. Thank you.
Hey, my pleasure.
To care for the exterior windows within your Brinkley, make sure that you use a standard glass cleaner, a soft cloth, or a paper towel, and then make sure you use a paper towel or soft cloth to make sure they're completely dry. If you have your slides out for an extended period of time while you're camping, make sure to check for debris and other items that might be up there before you bring those in. Hey Dominic, do you mind talking about awning care with me?
Hi Brian. Sure, it's funny you should ask.
Yeah.
It's a pretty simple procedure. All you gotta do is take a mild household detergent, like Dawn dish soap right here, put it in a bucket with some water, create some suds, get both sides of the awning equally wet, roll it back in, roll it out, and rinse it off.
Sounds awesome. And should I let it dry before I roll it back up?
Nope, you never wanna put her away wet, make sure it's dry, roll her in.
Sounds great, appreciate it. For more exterior care tips, you can call Brinkley Customer Care or visit any of your component vendor websites.